How about the Husky? The one sir is far from here.
Like collector so far.
Ah.
About 4 hour drive.
Then the guy never contact you?
Never.
Funny aja. Wah. Thursday. Then tomorrow the Bella they want to collect or not?
Thursday.
Yeah, tomorrow lah. Bella and
He never say.
oh, okay, okay.
Only tell me this one. He said he'll check with
The owner lah.
the owner, but no reply from her.
Okay, maybe the owner maybe Sunday lah. These two tana excited of Lexi only.
Huh?
They are excited to take Lexi. Then the other, what's the name of the girl? The one, I think the tomboy is the one who take. Because the other one got walk. We will collect in the morning.
Oh, so fast, take away already.
Yeah, very fast. But this puppy never give problem. Their poo also no the real one. Never give at all. After vaccination, they are very strong also. They can play some more. Yeah, sama. They will sleep right, sir. Them morning also they will sleep. They will jump on me. Ayu. They can play. They're really strong. Tomorrow morning I will wake up early. I walk the dog first. Then I will bring them in the park.
She don't care, no? Like she don't remember also.
No. I separate also. She never cry at all. Some mother will cry, no. Mochi tana never cry. That's why you see Mochi's stomach, not a lot of red one, right? Yeah,
So near. Very near.
yeah, sir. Good.
You go in only you reach already.
Mm.
It's another way. Yes, it's another way. This is from the west. From the west.
Yes, we're entering the immigration of Malaysia already. Very fast. Yes,
This one less traffic one.
we are reaching already. Say Malaysian immigration. Going back to Singapore. Very fast. Yeah.
Oh, the passport. Yeah. Switch on the light.
Okay. More. Guys, Singapore, Malaysian immigration, guys.
So either one, either go this one or the other one. Last one. Yes. Sky. Yeah.
Same.
Yeah, I know.
Going to
My
see.
helper said, next year she don't want to go back. Wait until another year. Want to go back. They want to get married.
Oh,
I think I tell her, you go and get married, but don't get pregnant. Correct. Yes. The immigration, the soldier, all want money.
mm.
It's the bottleneck here. It's a problem.
Mm.
Yeah.
But never like
Because
like
of the vehicle here.
now it's like fast already lah. It's not slow. As soon as the car is moving,
Do
it's
you know how
okay.
far it's here today? It's
I
very
know,
far.
I know.
You can jam here. Hopefully it's not. 1 hour at least. More than that.
Open my life to you. Everything I've been through. You see for your glory and
Dia
order.
motorcycle. Car.
Can sacrifice. Lord, I offer you my life. Good. Yes, we are reaching already, sir. Yeah, very fast. Less than half hour.
Right, simple. I got no car, you don't want to go. You follow this one.
I so scared. I scared wait motorbike.
One only. What?
Yeah. Ayan, this. The motorbike is that size,
Scared lah. My
Uh,
friend one time I went
What's
this side Salah.
Oh.
Kena fine $150.
Cannot find.
I
yeah.
remember this place, that's why I scared. Play safe, come here first.
Open cardboard
You
for
know, my
check.
friend Ricky, Hong Kong guy, you know. he drive Grab one.
Ayo.
Very funny. Then after that, we
Okay, guys,
we
we
also
are the
wonder why you go
customs
to that
you are the
lane.
customs Singapore,
Yeah, I
guys.
kena $150.
See, Singapore immigration ready, guys. Wow. Thank you, Lord.
It's not quite long already.
Oh, oh,
Got green one.
oh, the Singapore car, they never check.
No lah.
Yeah, just now it's not. I
check
saw.
both cars.
It's not Singapore.
Both not Singapore.
No. That's why I checked the plate number on. You see? Wow, Uncle Vincent is right now. If we go that side, we are there already, sir. Yeah.
Okay, switch on the light.
Go start.
Huh?
Go start. Okay, no. Go start. You know.
Thank you, Lord, for guiding us. Good luck, good luck. Thank you, Lord.
Yeah lah, went for shopping. Yeah. There? The KS what?
PSL.
KSL, no, not KSL, NSK. NSK Trade City. They open very early, right? Yeah. 2 months, one.
Oh, the one tanang all motorbike. You see the motorbike also they check, huh?
They check for vape,
Oh,
vaping. What vaping nowadays for drugs also.
yeah.
another new kind of drugs, taking drugs.
Okay.
See there also couple of PC.
I can buy more eggs when next time.
Should have, ah? Should have, ah?
Yeah. Yeah lah.
Yeah,
Maybe you're not cukup.
we greedy,
Greedy, we start testing
See, they
our.
say, okay, hey, eat 10
Ah.
we cannot let go lah. Wah, jialat.
Slowly become more and more. They kena one time, cry.
But
It's
you,
not from here.
but your card got record. I think every 2 months or what lah.
Oh, then now here Woodland Sound Center.
Why don't you drive by SL? Why? That time you drive by COE, right? You sure you went from without Bishan, go to PIE, or you go by this way, right? This way, so
Yes, we are in Singapore already, guys.
So used to the
This one is Singapore already, guys. We have to go to Woodlands already.
go home also at
So we get very fast travel from Singapore, from Malaysia to Singapore is only like 45 minutes, guys. It's really
No. Yeah, can go. I should
on the left side.
keep back.
yes.
Don't go Central Lake. Central Lake.
Don't go Central Lake.
Sorry, go Central Lake. Central Lake. Don't go right.
It's Mandai Road lah.
Yeah.
On the left one.
On the left. Want to see this guy?
There, those
SLE, I'll go by SLE.
no lah.
I already, guys. Okay, we're in Singapore already,
There's
guys.
the Jingu I saw just now.
Thank you guys for watching. I love you all, guys. Love you all. Bye.
Now you turn SLE.